Here she comes again. 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 That's good. Like that. Here she comes. Don't tell me no. No. Tell me no. Don't tell me no. Don't tell me no. Don't tell me no. Don't tell me no.
What's this?
What the fuck is this? Here I am in fucking...
This is stuff for the tour.
What the fuck is this shit?
Ties.
They're my fucking ties on the floor.
If you turn it on its side there, you can get grilled cheese sandwiches.
What, this?
Turn the toaster on its side,
Oh, this.
and then slip the toast in with the cheese on it, and you get a grilled cheese sandwich.
It's okay. What's this? Airplane trips.
What do we have to do to make them happy?
I don't know.
Are you sure I won't get stuck somewhere?
Yeah, no.
Give me your word of honor as well.
You can trust me.
Seriously, because that'd be an awful thing to live in there. Honest, okay? Okay, I'll go tell him something.
What's the story on luggage?
Carry everything.
About an hour.
Up there. Say up. Say up. Up there. Up there, eh? Nerve cedars. Assault to the nerve cedars. Steven?
Yes.
Steven, I don't think we would all appreciate you filming every event that takes place back here.
hard to get. Especially with those blue lights. You might have been a neon lover, but you didn't have to advertise. Oh, come on, oh, come on, come on. Well, you might have been a crack shot shooter, hung up on your figurine, under the cold in the dark blue sky. You're the only light I've seen. Come on, come on. If you have me for slow the time, I'm still hanging on the line. I wanna go up and down. I wanna go up and down. Check. Up and down. I wanna go up and down. Well, you don't have to be so tough.
You guys maybe have to worry about playing here again.
Why?
After that last
It's a great show. I ain't even fucking tired.
The kids were great. They were funny. They threw glass at us. They spit. They puked. I'm glad.
No, tonight was easily one of the worst ever. The worst gigs we ever played. Set. Fucking cars.
What's your name? Yeah, so what? Well. See this? This is one of the main things that a band gets while they're on the road. Right here, well, these are little sandwiches. There's some white bread with some mayonnaise on it. And a little piece of lettuce. Get your veggies. Then, okay, well, you've had your sandwich. You might wash it down with a little milk or a little Perrier. You never know. There's cookies. Fruit's real good for you. There's melon. Grapes. All on a bed of iceberg lettuce.